Now we saw that light is emitted. Okay, if we take natural sources, sun is somewhere millions of kilometers away from the earth, but how are we seeing the light from the sun? Because light travels from place to place. Then how does light travel? Light always travels in a straight line. You need to remember that. Light always travels in a straight line, straightforward, always straight. Suppose to see this, you can perform an activity as shown in the picture. You can take cardboards and put a hole in each of them. 3 cardboards or 4, 5, any number of cardboards, and place them properly in an order such that every hole is every hole is parallel to other, and put a source of light. Here you can see a candle. Put that candle over there and you stand or you see from the last hole. We named the cardboards as A, B and C. We put all the holes in a straight line. All are in a straight line. We stood behind the cardboard C and we saw that light from the candle. Okay. Now what I thought is, just I'll change the position of the cardboard C. What happens, you see? We will not see. Missing. Where is the light source missing? Because the light always travels in a straight line, you cannot see here as the holes or the cardboards are not arranged in a proper straight line. Did you get the point? Light always travels in a straight line, and this phenomena of light traveling in a straight line is called rectilinear propagation of light. Remember, rectilinear propagation of light. We'll move forward from this. Okay, I told you light travels in a straight line, and light also travels in the form of rays, light rays. Why we call it a ray? Because light ray has a starting point or only one end point. Why? As if it has no end points, then from where did the light start? There has to be a source of light now. So that is the reason, if the source of light is a candle, the candle is the starting point or the end point, we can say, for the light rays emitted. That is the reason we call them as rays. And if there are a group of light rays, then we'll put some name to them. Why to call them always a group of light rays with 4 words? No? Just we call them beam, a beam of light. So here there are different types of beams, as you can see in the picture here. Parallel beam. We know that parallel lines never intersect, and same with the parallel beam. A parallel beam is a beam which contains parallel rays of light. They never meet each other. Usually we consider the light from the sun to be a parallel beam, and all the rays of light will be parallel to each other. Next comes is the divergent beam. The divergent beam. Here in the divergent beam, all the light rays or the beam of light emerges from a point. Here you can see from this point, all the light rays started coming out. But will they meet anywhere? No, they won't meet anywhere. Now let us talk about something quite opposite to this divergent beam, a convergent beam. So if you see here, all the light rays are coming and meeting at a point. The only difference is they are starting from a point and never meet. They are meeting at a point and they start from different places. Did you get it? It's a bit confusing, but if you understand it, that will be a piece of cake for you all to get it. They all meet here, they all start here. That's it. There is no much difference in that. They will start here, they will meet here.